In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a virtual background on Zoom. If you want to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more fun, adding a virtual background in Zoom is a great option. This feature lets you replace whatever is behind you with a preset image or background, can be especially helpful if you're working from home, joining a meeting from a busy space, or simply want a more polished look on camera. To get started, open Zoom and make sure you're on the main screen of the app. From there, look for the More option and click on it. This will open additional settings and tools that aren't shown right away on the main interface. Next, click on Settings. This is where Zoom keeps most of the options that control how your app looks and behaves. Once the settings window is open, you'll see different categories along the side or across the top, depending on your version of Zoom. From there, click on Video and Effects. This section contains the settings related to your camera appearance and visual enhancements. If you're trying to customize how you appear during meetings, this is the area you'll want to use. Now, click on the virtual background. This is the specific setting that allows you to change what appears behind you on your camera feed. Once you open it, Zoom will show you the available background options. Go ahead and select the virtual background you want to use. As soon as you click on one, Zoom will usually preview it right away so you can see how it looks before joining or continuing your meeting. Take a moment to choose one that fits the tone of your meeting. For example, a simple office-style background may work well for professional calls, while a softer or more creative background may be fine for casual meetings. If your background doesn't look perfect, try sitting in a well-lit area and make sure there's a clear contrast between you and the space behind you. This can help Zoom separate you from your background more accurately. Also, staying centered in the frame can improve the overall effect. And that's it. Once you've selected a virtual background, Zoom will apply it automatically during your video calls. It's a quick and easy way to improve your on-camera appearance and create a more consistent meeting environment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.